Here we have a Volkswagen T25. It's a 42-year-old van, and if you have a look at it, it's going nice and strong. Now basically it's got a very old Clifford Alarm system on it. It's actually an American based Clifford Alarm system. They never sold it here in the UK. It's the Clifford Matrix RS3. That's what it's got in there. So the reason why he's come in is because when you turn the ignition on, which I'm going to show you, the door's closed. When you turn the ignition on, it basically locks the doors. And then when you turn the ignition off, it unlocks the doors. Now the problem is, the locks are really stiff on this, so when it does lock, it's very hard to open it. So when they're driving along, they have to actually turn the ignition off to actually then open the door. Because like I said, it's very hard to actually unlock it when it's actually locked. So what we're going to do is just going to basically program it so then it doesn't lock and unlock on the ignition anymore. So I'll be using my old tool, and this basically I dug out. I've owned this for probably about 20 odd years, and that is what's going to be used on this alarm system to be able to program that out. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Right, it's all done, and basically the main issue is the fact that his wife will sit in the passenger seat, he'll turn the ignition on, it'll lock with the engine running, she can't get out because the door's, like I said, it's really stiff when it actually locks, so he has to turn the ignition off every time. So so he used to displease her, and obviously he used to displease him because he used to displease her, and there you go. So now we've programmed it out, so we need now turn the ignition on, it no longer locks the doors. So that's it really. So his wife should be very happy, he should be very happy, it's all done. And that's on this Volkswagen T25, which is a 42-year-old van.